Hey, this is Theodore Appliance Repair. What can I help you with?
Hey there. I'm looking for someone to fix my washer. I live in zip code 33777.
Got it. Your zip code is... Okay, let me look up slots in the system. Just a moment. Okay, so the earliest available spot is tomorrow, April 25th, from 4 p.m. till 6 p.m. with our technician, Andrew. Will that work for you?
4 to 6 with Andrew. All right, yeah, probably.
Great. Could you please describe what's going on with your washer? What kind of issues are you noticing?
It's sneaking and peeking and making weird noises. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Sounds like your washer might have some issues with the motor or the drum bearings causing those noises. The technician will be able to pinpoint the exact cause during the visit. And do you happen to know the brand of your washer?
Yeah, it's made by Samsung.
Thanks for that. And is your washer a residential unit?
Yeah.
All right. And you'll be handling the payment for the service, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. And may I ask you your full name?
Will Smith.
Thanks, Will. And what's your address?
12345 Testing Avenue. Yeah, that's it.
Give me a moment. Just to confirm, your address is 12345 Hastings Avenue in Seminole, zip code 33777, correct?
Yeah.
And is this phone number ending in 7534 your best one to reach you?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, let me put it in the system real quick. Okay, so I got you booked for tomorrow, April 25th at 4 p.m. The diagnosis will be free with your repair. If you decide not to repair after we diagnose it, the visit is just $79. If you need to reschedule or have questions, please call us at the phone number in the confirmation text message. Thanks for choosing Theodore Appliance
You know
Repair.
what? I'm actually wondering. I think I need to speak to my wife first.
I totally get wanting to check with your wife first. Just so you know, the longer the washer stays like this, the more it could cause bigger issues. Plus, we've got the best prices around and a slot open tomorrow at 4 p.m. with Andrew, which is pretty rare. How about I hold that spot for you now? And if your wife says no, you can always cancel.
You know what? I was just thinking that maybe it's gonna cost more to repair it than to just buy new units. So I'll probably cancel.
I completely understand your concern about the cost. The thing is, without a technician checking it out, it's hard to know the exact price because the problem could be simple or more complex. The diagnostic visit will give you a precise quote, and you're not obligated to go ahead with the repair if it feels too expensive. You just pay the diagnostic fee. Does it make sense to get that clear picture first before deciding?
Okay, yeah, probably.
Great. So I'll keep your appointment for tomorrow, April 25th at 4 p.m. with Andrew. If anything changes or you want to reschedule, just give us a call. Can I help you with anything else?
No, I think that's it. Thank you.
All right. Thanks for choosing Theodore Appliance Repair. Have a good one.
Thank you.